web breakpoint is a text checkpoint. It's correct or not?
Text checkpoint.
Because we are validating for the text. So that is why web breakpoint is a text. So for example, here you are writing for the web underscore reg underscore find, and after that we are giving for the in double colon text is equal to. So your syntax I'm telling for the double colon means that is just your understanding point I am telling. Don't tell to if anyone asks for the web break say param after that 3 double colons comma last. So that is syntax. No, right? So don't tell like this. Okay. Now I'm giving for the text is equal to. Okay, I will check for the launch page which text will be there. So this is the launch page, right? I will take for the welcome. Okay. Welcome and double colon comma save count. Why we are using save count means it will count for the how many times will be there the particular text. So the welcome in this page how many times it will be there, it will calculate. If it is there one time means it is a good, then your page will be validating, but it will be good. Maybe you are getting for the save count is equal to 0, then you are not going to the particular valid page. Got it right?
Yeah.
So for this point of view, so I am execute.
So spelling lunch.
Lunch.
Spelling.
Lunch.
Okay. Sometimes okay. Okay, now just I will execute. Before that, how many times? Sorry?
Oh.
Yeah,
Just missing
lunch. Okay. No problem. Okay. See runtime settings. I am changing for the only one iteration. Then I am replaying the script. See now we will come to the output. See in the output where I done see launch is equal to how much it came? 1. Means your login page means your launch pages you are doing for the successfully. But what happened means so it is showing for the launch one. Okay, I am getting for the okay, my page is successfully validated. That is fine. But if it is someone is saying means I want for the message, your checkpoint is pass, your checkpoint is fail condition, I want. Okay, so for this point of view, we need to write for the some if else condition. Okay, this will be every time will be same only. So I will show you that. Once you can copy and paste in your system or in your mail, right? Every time will be this condition will be same. So just I am copying to the chart window. Everyone copy and paste in the notepad for your understanding point. Okay, now so where we can this code copy means after the request. So it is a web breakpoint is a registration function. That is why we are writing for the above request. But this code will be we need to write for the after the request. So login after we need to copy and paste it in this.
What's the code?
Okay, after that code, see, I copied and paste. So now, see, just I'm writing for the if else condition. Means maybe, see, for example, we are going to the hotel. So I'm asking for the like idli and dosha. So what he can do means, okay, we don't have idli, only dosha. Then I will get for the else condition. Maybe I ask for the idli is given for means will get for the if condition means I get for the idli. Maybe idli not there, he can given the choice for the someone is a courier, whatever maybe, means that is the else condition. So same way, we are also here. See, save count is equal to what? Launch. Launch is equal to 0, means launch is equal to 0, then checkpoint will be fail. So launch is equal to 1 or more than 0, then checkpoint will be pass condition. So just now we'll execute. So we need to change for the only every time this save count, what is the name is there. In this place, you need to give for that value. Okay, I will explain this code also. Wait 1 minute. So just I'm execute. And we'll see connect start during replay. See compilation loss. We are getting for the errors. Unrecognized statement. Okay, see here double colon missed, so that is why it is asked for the unrecognized. This error also now is gone. So now you can see if you want to before click on the replay button, you need to compile also. We have the compile is there. Compile means you are getting any errors or not, you need to validate. So just click on this. So it will show for the if it is any errors are there, not there, it will show. So now again I am executing. Still cannot replay compilation errors. We have showing checkpoint checkpoint double colon. So you can observe if we are given two with this ones. So because if we starting
అవుట్పుట్ లో పాయింట్ చెక్ పాయింట్ దగ్గర కరెక్ట్ లేదు స్పెల్లింగ్ అవుట్పుట్
that is the no problem. Spelling mistakes will be not considered because see in double colon you can do anything is fine.
ఓకే ఓకే
That will be not an issue. See now you are getting no errors we detected. Means you can click on compile, then you are getting any errors means it will show errors. Maybe you don't have any errors, it will show for the no error detected. Now you can execute. See now we'll observe for the output. See, launch is equal to 1. So the checkpoint is failed. This is correct. This is correct or not? No, right? The launch is equal to 1 means we are getting for the valid response, means we are get for the checkpoint is pass, means our code will be wrong will be there, means it is the starting will be pass, we need for the failed here will be pass. Now we'll again, now we'll execute. Now we can observe. So once you are good, then I will copy and paste and you can keep it in notepad. Okay. See now launch is equal to 1. Checkpoint is passed. Got it, everyone? See, launch is equal to 1. Maybe it is launch is equal to 0, then which function we will get for the checkpoint is failed, we will get. But launch is equal to 1, that is why we are getting for the checkpoint is passed. Now I will explain for that code. So, where is that code? See, I am writing for the if else, LR eval string. LR eval string means it will be read the value. So, which value it is reading? Launch. Launch where we are picking from? Save count. Means what is the value will be there here? Save count is equal to launch. Means launch how many times it will be there? It will count for this and it will read the this function is the. Which purpose we can use for the LR eval string means to read the value point of we can use for the LR eval string. And see, launch is equal, it will count for the how many times it will be there, this text. So for example, launch is equal to 1. So then what will happen? Launch is equal to 1. Then checkpoint will be pass or fail.
Fail.
Launch is equal to 1, checkpoint is pass.
Awesome.
Pass. Okay.
So it means it is a condition will be going to the else condition, it is pass. Maybe launch is equal to 0, then it will execute this section first.
Yeah.
So if
Yeah.
it is more than this, it will execute this one. And the going to the here LR output message means just we want to print the message. What is the, see here you can write Kiran also, it will print. Which you need to write, it will be automatically print, because only LR output message we want to print for the particular value, means we need to give for the in double columns. So, but we need to write for the proper, because we are doing for the checkpoint. So that is why I written for the checkpoint is fail, checkpoint is pass. So now everyone is clear, right? If else condition, just nothing, this is nothing but if else condition. In that we are using for the, these are our LR functions. LR reverse string means to read the value point of, we can use for the LR reverse string. LR output message, we need to display for the output point of view, we are using for the output LR output message. Clear everyone? Same way we can do for the here also. Control C and login also we can keep for here only, right? See, I'm keeping for here, Control V, and same code. Don't take, so same code I'm copying. You also take this code, everyone, and keep it in Notepad. So this is the valid one. Last time I am not. That will be okay. You can copy in Notepad. See now, this code I'm copying. See, this is I written for the login above this. So I'm give it as a name is a login. Okay, and after that, after code we need to write the code. After code where before the end transaction we need to write that code. And what we need to change only this save code name. What is the save code name? You need to change, that is only enough. Control. Then we can execute now. Okay, see now you can observe output window. See, launch is equal to 1. Then what will happen? Our checkpoint is passed in launch page. So now we are in login page. You can observe login is equal to how much it is came? 0 came. And checkpoint is failed. Means you are getting for the valid page? No.
Yeah.
Why you are not getting the valid page means here will be, we have the user section value will be there. This value is every time keep on changing, but you are not done the correlation. That is why you are getting for the 0.
0, okay.
So means what will happen? You are not doing for the correlation here. You are executing with the multiple users. Then your script will work, not work.
No.
So that is why we are doing for the correlation is a very important point of our script. You are done for the correlation properly, then only you are getting for the output. See, now I will just done for the your point of auto correlation, correlate selection and details. I'm selecting for the boundary base, and here we no need this all things. I'm remaining this and apply and correlate. See, it's done. Now we'll execute. Now we are getting for the valid response or not, we need to check. See, now we'll observe for the output window. Go up. See, login is equal to how much came?
Two
Two.
times.
Two.
Checkpoint is false.
Fast.
See, you are not done correlation, then obviously means you are not getting for the valid response page. Means you are unable to log in means. See, you can go to the application. You are logging, you are giving username and password. Means maybe it is getting like this. When you are not done for the correlation. So means that is why our script is a very important for the correlation. Got it, everyone? So you are not giving for the checkpoint, then you know, okay, this page is valid or not. We don't know, right? So
Yeah.
that is why each and every page is you need to keep for the validation point is a very, very important. So then only, okay, we are getting for the valid response, then we know. Got it, everyone?
Okay.
Yeah. Now we have the one more validation point will be there. So that will be web image. We have the one more verification point there. What is that function means? Image checkpoint. We can call it as an image checkpoint. We have the checkpoints too. Text checkpoint. Text checkpoint means
Image
the
text.
web
Image
checkpoint.
text.
And image checkpoint means we need to write for the function web image underscore check. And after that equal. So maybe you are unable to doing this, then what you can do is you can click on here and you can go to the view and go to the step toolbox. Here you can write for the web image. Web image check. Some compilation errors there. So I wait 1 minute. Just you can this one click it. Now see we need to give for the name of this values we need to give. See, here is the parameter name. You need to give for the parameter name. Where we are doing launch only, you are doing that same you can give launch. So for here, what we need to give means image SRC we need to give. How to we can take this means, see, now which page we are doing? Which page this is the launch, right?
Launch.
Means you need to go to the launch page. Means you can go to the application. This is the application. Then you need to enter for the launch means this is the launch. After launch, now we need to take for the image. See, HP is the image, Web2 is the image points, and login also image. But we need to how to we can take means you need to in this page click on for the right button, and we have the view page source there. Everyone able to see view page source? So you can click on that. See, now we are able to see the images. Images nothing but some SRC is equal, it will come. So now you can observe where it is there SRC. See, this is the SRC. Means in this page is the image content here. So you can take this up to this. Means every page will be, if it is image means it will show for the SRC. See here also one more is there. Means you can take any one of the fine. Then you can copy this and go to here and you can enter here and click on OK. See, this function is generated web image check, and this is the name of the file name, and see it is a SRC is equal. Now you need to give for the, if anything double colon miss, you need to give for the double slash. See, now it's good. Here also we have one more, you can give for the one more. See, now it is fine, right? Then just you need to execute this alternate, no need this one. See, comma. So this is the web image checkpoint, means this is a variable name, and after that, so you need to give for the variable name, you need to give for anything is fine, because we are doing launch, right? You can give for the launch, and SRC is equal this one. So just now we need to execute. This is also means this image will be there in this page, then it will be you are getting for the valid response. This page is you are not getting, then you are not going to the valid page. Okay, I'm executing.
Kiran, what is valid page? Valid page అంటున్నారు కదా, ఏంది valid?
See, valid page means, see, for example, see, 1 minute. You are not understanding as of now. We are discussing for last 4 days onwards. See, now we are in see, you are launching means you are going to this page or not. How we know? See, for example, you are getting correct page means you are getting for this page. Maybe I am giving for here some different also there. Maybe it will. So now you are click on this. This is the valid page.
No.
Means your valid page you are not going means you are correct. Your script will be work.
No.
No, right? So that is the valid page. Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
See, maybe you are logging. See, I am enter this one and click on login. So this is a valid page.
No.
No.
Actually, we are going for the.
We already
we
done
need
the
to go for the
recorded
after
that.
login. But we are in only here only it will be there. Then it is valid page. No, right? So how you know we are going to for the valid page or not means using for the validation points. Got it?
Okay.
So now you can observe for the image we done, right? You can go to the launch section. So this is the launch section. You can observe web image is check started and verification is check is not enabled. Web checkpoint is successfully completed. So you will not get any message. Just you will get for the like this web image check was successfully. Means you are able to the image will be there and you are able to go into the correct page. So only interview point of only they will ask for the web image check, but mostly in scripting point no need to use for the web image check. We can use for the web break find function only. But your understanding point of and you also practice yourself like this also you can practice. So no need to write any code like this. No need to write this one. Only you need to write for the checkpoint condition point of you can write this one. Got it, everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. So one more thing I will explain and maybe how much time we have the okay. Correlation we can do for the one more way also. Undo correlation. So now we know for the manual correlation, we know for the auto correlation, and as same to what will happen is some application will be there. Every time will be same values coming like user section value or some departure area. Same like this will be there. So every time we can do for the correlation will be our time will be wasted. So that is point of view we need to create for the some rule. So first will be you can take for the boundaries. You can take the boundaries. So now this is the first script. Control and click on this, and I'm taking for the boundaries. Up to this attack. And now we need to go to the recording options. In the recording options, we have the rules will be there. You can go to the rules and you need to create for the application. Which application you are doing, you need to give for the application name. I'm doing for the web tour and underscore flight booking. So for I created application. In that I am creating for the new rule. So which value I am doing for the correlation? User section. User section. and name already there. Section value I'm giving. Okay. Now after that, here you need to select for the search for the boundaries or body or anything you need to select, and after that it is a boundary based or regular expression. You need to select for the any one of the fine boundary based I selected. Now you need to give for the LB RB. Already we copied, right? And where I copied anywhere, notepad?
No.
No, right? So I copied. Now I am taking for the, this is the left boundary and copied, and go to the here, and I'm taking for the right boundary and control this, and you need to give for the right boundary place. And same thing how we are doing in double columns place, you need to give slash, where how many times it will be there, you need to give for the slash. And here also you can give. See, now I done for the slash, and miss I created application. In that I created rule. Which rule I created? User section value rule created. Now this rule you want to import also there, export will be there. Import means we want to send to the someone this file, because see Narayana also doing same work, but is effort I want to remove some effort from the manual effort. So already I done for the correlation this one. So I want send this to the Narayana means. So you want to import, and you want to save this file means you can import means you need to select this one already there. You can click on means it will open. Maybe you want export means you want send to the someone. Export, you can click on this, and it will ask for the where you want to save. So I am saving for the here section value. See, it is saved as a .cor means it is a correlation rule we are created. See, now I am saving desktop. See, for this file you can go there. This file I am sent to for the someone like in our team. So then he will, what he can do, he come to here and he click on import, and is going to the desktop, and already I given this is the section value. You can click on open, then it will already there. That is why it is showing for the override, or it is asking for the add a new, it is asking. So like this you can prepare, and you need to send for your team members. Then it is completed. Then what we can do, you need to click on OK button, and after that, so this correlation automatically happen once you are able to record